About myself and my family. My name is Rami. I am 8 years old. I have a family. We are a family of 5. I think my family is large and friendly. I have a mother, a father, a sister, and brother. My sister is 3 years old. Her name is Mary. She is a clever and funny girl. She is little, but she can read and draw very well. My brother's name is Sami. He is a pupil of the first form. I have got a lot of friends. When I have free time, I like to play football with them. I study well at school, but I don't like to read a lot. On weekends we like to help our room, but we don't like to wash the dishes. About myself and my family. My name is Rami. I am 8 years old. I have a family. We are a family of 5. I think my family is large and friendly. I have a mother, a father, a sister, and brother. My sister is 3 years old. Her name is Mary. She is a clever and funny girl. She is little, but she can read and draw very well. My brother's name is Sami. He is a pupil of the first form. I have got a lot of friends. When I have free time, I like to play football with them. I study well at school, but I don't like to read a lot. On weekends we like to help our room, but we don't like to wash the dishes.